Anna Hibiscus by Atinuke and Lauren Tobia. Anna Hibiscus lives in Africa, amazing Africa. Anna Hibiscus is at the beach with her whole family. The sun is hot, the sand is hot, the laughing waves are splashing. Anna Hibiscus looks at the splashing waves. Grandmother and grandfather are reading their newspapers. Papa and Uncle Tunde are talking to the fishermen. Mama and the aunties are plaiting their hair. The cousins are busy too. Joy, Clarity and Common Sense are on their phones. Benz and Wonderful are playing football with the beach boys. Chocolate is burying Angel in the sand. Angel! Shouts Anna Hibiscus. Come and splash with me. I can't, says Angel. I'm almost buried. Chocolate! Shouts Anna Hibiscus. Come and splash. No, says Chocolate. You come and help me dig. But Anna Hibiscus does not want to dig in the hot sand. She wants to splash in the laughing waves. And she wants to splash with somebody. Benz, Wonderful, shouts Anna Hibiscus. Come and splash with me. Benz and Wonderful are running too fast to hear Anna Hibiscus. Kick the ball, shouts Benz. Wonderful girl, kick 'em, shouts Wonderful. But Anna Hibiscus does not want to kick balls on the hot sand. She wants to splash in the laughing waves, and she wants to splash with somebody. Joy, Clarity, Common Sense, will you come and play in the waves with me? Asks Anna Hibiscus. No, no, laughs Joy. We're too big now for playing, says Clarity, and we are too busy, says Common Sense. Anna Hibiscus stamps away. She wants to splash in the laughing waves, and she wants to splash with somebody. Mama? Anna Hibiscus asks her mother. First I need to finish plaiting, says Anna's mother. And after that it will be time to eat. Anna Hibiscus kicks the sand. Go away to kick your sand, says Auntie Jolie. You will spoil the corn, says Auntie Grace. Papa? Asks Anna Hibiscus. Don't interrupt, says Anna's father. Wait until I have finished talking. Anna Hibiscus waits a long time, but the men don't ever stop talking. Anna Hibiscus looks at grandmother and grandfather. From underneath the newspapers she can hear snoring. Anna Hibiscus whispers, Grandmother, grandfather. But there is no answer. Anna Hibiscus looks around. There is nobody left to ask. There are only the waves jumping and splashing. They want to splash with somebody. Splash! The white waves splash Anna Hibiscus. Oh, Anna Hibiscus splashes back. Jump! The white waves jump on Anna Hibiscus. Oh, Anna Hibiscus jumps back. Hee-hee! The white waves laugh at Anna Hibiscus. Oh, Anna Hibiscus laughs back. Hee-hee, hee-hee, hee-hee. Chocolate hears Anna laughing. She stops digging. Angel shouts to Chocolate, Wait for me! Benz and Wonderful hear Anna laughing. Look, let's go, shouts Benz. Wonderful, shouts Wonderful. Joy, Clarity and Common Sense hear Anna laughing. We're not that old, says Clarity. We're not that busy, says Common Sense. Phones are boring, says Joy. Come on. Anna's mother and the aunties hear Anna laughing. I'm hot, says Anna's mother. Let's eat later, says Auntie Jolie. Anna's father stops talking when he hears Anna laughing. Oh yeah, shouts Uncle Tunde. I'm coming, shouts Anna's father. Anna's laughing is so loud that grandmother and grandfather wake up. What are we waiting for? Says grandmother. Let's go, says grandfather. Anna Hibiscus looks around. She sees Chocolate and Angel and Benz and Wonderful and Clarity and Joy and Common Sense and her mother and the aunties and her father and Uncle Tunde and even grandmother and grandfather, all running down the hot yellow sand to splash in the laughing waves. Hee hee, laughs Anna Hibiscus. Hee hee, laughs the whole entire family. Hee hee, laugh the splashing waves. Anna Hibiscus lives in Africa. Amazing Africa. Anna Hibiscus is amazing too. Thanks for watching. Love to read with Miss Ellis. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Take care. Bye for now.